Build a stronger chest and upper body with the bench press, incline and decline press, crossover fly, seated fly, and Svend Press. These exercises enhance muscle growth, definition, and posture for a powerful and stable upper body. Hello everyone, welcome to Dr. Fit Fact. Today we are focusing on 10 minutes daily 6 best exercises for bigger chest in gym. So let's start. Exercise number 1, Barbell Incline Bench Press. Benefits: builds upper chest, shoulders, and triceps while improving posture and strength. How to do it: on a 30 to 45 degrees incline bench, lower the barbell to your upper chest, then press back up. Reps: perform 3 to 4 sets of 8 to 12 reps for muscle growth or 4 to 6 reps for strength. Exercise number 2, Bench Press. Benefits: builds chest, shoulders, and triceps strength, improving upper body power and muscle mass. How to do it: lie flat on a bench, grip the barbell slightly wider than shoulder width, lower it to your chest, and press back up. Reps: perform 3 to 4 sets of 8 to 12 reps for hypertrophy or 4 to 6 reps for strength. Exercise number 3, Decline Bench Press. Benefits: focuses on the lower chest muscles, enhances upper body strength, and improves muscle symmetry. How to do it: on a decline bench, grip the barbell wider than shoulder width, lower it to your lower chest, and press back up. Reps: perform 3 to 4 sets of 8 to 12 reps for muscle growth or 4 to 6 reps for strength. Exercise number 4, Crossover Fly. Benefits: builds and defines chest muscles, enhances pec symmetry, and improves range of motion. How to do it: using a cable machine or resistance bands, stand with feet shoulder width apart, pull handles from a wide position to cross in front of your chest, then return to the start. Reps: perform 3 to 4 sets of 10 to 15 reps, focusing on control and muscle contraction. Exercise number 5, Seated Fly. Benefits: strengthens and tones chest muscles, improves posture, and enhances upper body stability. How to do it: sit on a pec deck machine or with dumbbells. Keep your arms slightly bent, bring them together in front of your chest, then return to the starting position. Reps: perform 3 to 4 sets of 10 to 12 reps, focusing on controlled movement. Exercise number 6, Svend Press. Benefits: targets the chest, shoulders, and triceps, improving muscle definition and chest activation without heavy weights. How to do it: hold a weight plate between your palms at chest level, press it outward while squeezing your chest muscles, then return to the start. Reps: perform 3 to 4 sets of 12 to 15 reps, focusing on maintaining chest tension throughout. Do these exercises once daily and repeat them till 10 days. You will see a major difference in before and after results. If you find my lectures as a good guidance about fitness, so please like, subscribe and share my videos with your friends and family. Thank you.